thing is scary. I'm not sure if I ever mentioned this, but this turbo was made to run on like 020 or 1030. We're currently running it on oil from 1995 or something like that. Now, I added some zinc and an extra quart of some like 1030 or something, so it'll probably be fine. But yeah, just a fact you should know. So I looked at that fitting and it was just loose. So I sprayed her off. I put a towel right there so that we can see if it starts leaking. It'll be wet. I almost forgot a signature of every MG that I work on. Oh, that might not fit. This one's a little long. Ah, it's a little tight. I'll just run this guy down here, hook our spring. I present to you the brake line throttle return spring. And while we're at it with zip ties, oh, look at that. Now I took that valve thing off. That is perfect. But, oh, my arm is touching hot turbo. This is too easily pulled by the wastegate. So I'm thinking if it's only pulling a few of them, it might be harder. So I'll just run it through here. Run it down a few rungs so that these ones aren't being used. So if it's just those few, that'll raise the pressure. So I want this thing to go. All right, we got her zip tied, and it takes a moderate amount of pressure to open that thing up. So you can see it's already a little stretched. So that means there's more tension on it than before. Boop, boop. Let's send it. All right, I might change the oil because this is a lot of shaft play and it's making a knocking noise, which is not ideal. But we got our boost gauge hooked up. Super nice APR boost gauge from Holley. This thing is gorgeous. I love it. Might as well just put it where the fuel goes. That'd be nice. Ooh, it's a little black. Better than shiny though. I guess that, ow, dadgummit. This oil is from the 90s. So I guess I'll change it now that it's knocking. It just keeps on coming, jeez. Let's see how my one-hand pouring skills are today. Oh, could be a little better. Oh, this funnel sucks. All right, we have 1 hour. I pulled that line off because, well, look at it. Still leaking like crazy. I'm gonna see if I can just send that straight into it. Look what I found. I'm gonna get copyrighted for this clip. So, we're gonna steal this nice, fancy braided one. New oil line, done. This, back on oil, changed. I think she's ready to rock and roll, guys. With approximately 50 minutes remaining before I need to be ready to roll. Oil level's good, except for it's still very black. Proper hot rod right here, an MGB, as the Lord intended it. All right, this guy is not welded all the way. You can't really see because lighting, but that thing's not sealing anything. We got to seal it up and fast. With 30 minutes until I have to be out of here, we are going with the old RTV method. Just sealing up every crevice we can find. And then we're gonna hit it with the heat gun and hope that dries it and that my engine doesn't suck up 2 pounds of RTV. So, will it work? One way to find out. Whoever said you don't finger paint after elementary school must have never built a turbo MGB in their garage. Boom, heat gun time. So according to ChatGPT, RTV works off moisture in the air. So we missed a little bit in the air and then hit it with a heat gun, but not too much heat. It'll dry faster. All right, we just ran a bead of RTV. Oh yeah, this is gonna work great. I almost forgot one of the most important things, which is that my exhaust is almost dragging the ground. Right now it's lifted up a few inches. Yeah, that would be really bad if I drove this and it caught a speed bump or something. Oh boy, that would be a bad day. So we're just gonna zip tie it per usual. Oh yeah, rock solid. All right, time on deck is 4:50 and it starts at 6 and it's still raining. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I do not want to drive this thing in the rain. Well, while I wait for the rain to stop, I reckon we put this plate on there. It happens to be from the exact same year, which is what's legally required to put an antique plate on a classic car. So let's straighten this thing out. This will work for now, and then when I see another 69 plate, I'll grab it and swap this one out. It is 4:58, and it is also time for her final test. Will it drive from the shop to the house? If it does so successfully without blowing up, then take it to the car show. Work in progress. We got a huge problem. Guys, this is bad. I don't know what to do. It's literally hitting it. Oh no. What have I done? Oh, this is not good. Only thing I can do is dent that exhaust in, but I can't take the header off again. It's gonna take way too long. All right, what are we gonna do? It's probably not gonna bend with a pry bar. I'll just break my steering. Not good. Not good at all. Oh no. Oh no. All right, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it off best I can. And then try to beat the crap out of the exhaust until it comes off. Okay, one, can we turn it with no bolts in it? Oh no, that still hits too. Okay, so what if I just didn't have a bolt in it? Would that be so illegal? Okay, yep, it moves that way. Okay, what if I just push it really far back into it? That's what I'm thinking. Where's the hammer? I know it's gonna be hard to see what I'm doing, but I gotta get this thing moved yesterday. Okay, that's definitely gonna hit still. I don't think I can get this steering off. This stupid thing. Like it's close, but what if I just left it like that? Okay, I don't think that really hit. It's not ideal, but I don't think it's coming out. That thing's not going nowhere. And then if I angle grind it a little bit, then what's it gonna do? Not gonna touch it, that's what it's not gonna do. Guys, I cannot make this up. It is 510. This is down to the wire. Why did I decide to do this? Why? Why didn't I check the steering? Oh. All right, let's hope we don't accidentally cut a fuel line. Let me show you what I did. We're definitely bringing the angle grinder with us. Boom. That way it won't hit the exhaust. It's supposed to sit like right up there, that hole. But you can see I just wedged it back, and yeah, hopefully the steering still works fine. Hopefully it doesn't come down and then hit the exhaust and I'm like trying to drive down the road and it just goes stuck and then I go into a ditch. Let's send it. Might need those. Where do I put these now? This mount is atrocious. Let's see how she does. I have no idea how much fuel pressure I have. She's not happy right now, I'll tell you that. Let's see if she makes any boost. Got a pound. She's making boost. Oh, this car is scary. I don't have a seat belt. I don't have rear brakes. Oh my gosh. This thing's making boost, guys. We're gonna take it easy. Keep it light. I don't like this. Oh yeah, there it goes. It lost fuel pressure on that one. All right, she's driving. She made it to the house and she is smoking like a freight train, but she's not on fire yet. Oh yeah. So, I didn't even notice that. I came over here to clean the oil off and it literally blew the charge pipe off. All right, well, yeah, it makes boost. Jeez. All right, this is more than I bargained for today. Guys, this thing's trying to make boost. It's at 2,500 in top gear. This stupid thing won't focus. It is so hard to drive this thing without making boost. It wants to make 10 PSI so bad. It just hit 4 or 5 a minute ago. Surprisingly, it didn't cut out. This is really hard to drive without over boosting it, because then we'll lose fuel pressure if we reach like 5 PSI and then the engine's gonna blow up. Again, I don't want that to happen. Yeah, later when it's making 25 PSI, sure, but not right now. Coolant looks good though. Well guys, I am not moving because there's a state trooper right there. Yeah, we're smoking, so I'm gonna let it burn off the rest of the oil. We'll show up a little late to the car show, but that's all right. We're arriving in style. There's a phrase for that. I forgot what that phrase is. Put it in the comments. It's like not late, but in fashion. I don't know. Somebody tell me. This thing will not stop making boost. It's a good problem to have, but like, I don't want to blow it up yet. I don't have the fuel system to support any boost. That's 4 PSI. And that was smoking. To take it easy on her because she keeps jumping to 4 PSI. Anything more than that, I'm gonna blow the motor. And boom, that's 5 PSI. We're cruising at 1 PSI, that's manageable. 1 PSI, 2, 3. Oh, it sounds so good though.
Country boy like me.
All right, guys, the car show was a success. We made it. It didn't blow up. It ran great, other than if I hit 6 pounds of boost, and it basically tried to self-detonate. But I only did that a couple times, so it's good. But she's up and ripping. I'm excited. And next, we put the Holley fuel system on it, make it run like a dream. Then we're gonna dyno it, and then EFI, and then we dyno it again. See how much power you can actually make with one of these Holley EFI kits. I will see you guys next time. One pump. Yeah, buddy. Mission success. We made it. Honestly, kind of surprised, but extremely happy. We did it. I'm going home. See you guys on the next one.